Exercise 38. The expression above can be rewritten in this form. What is the value of C? Okay, so we have an expression. We need to write it in a factorized form. To do that, we should see if they have anything in common. And since we were given also the result, we can see that 3x minus 4 is in common. So they have that. Both have also an x here and here. Both have also an x plus 2, so here and here, and then the remaining parts. So let's start from this. X. Let me write that as x plus 2. So it's x times 3x minus 4 times x plus 2. And then from the first one, we have a remaining 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4 minus 2x minus 5. So I'm going to keep the x, 3x minus 4x plus 2. And I'm going to do operations here. 3x minus 4 minus 2x plus 5. So x times 3x minus 4 times x plus 2 times 3x minus 2x is x minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So x plus 1. We were told that we can write it as x plus c. We managed to write it as x plus 1. So this means that c is 1, which makes A the right choice for this exercise.